What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kittner here. If you're dropping in for the first time, today is, hang on a second, let me pull up my phone. October 21st, and we just got to work. The tires didn't come in for the new wheels, so we didn't get to put these on. The other two will be here tomorrow. He said they'll come in Thursday. We did get the transmission all sealed back up. We got an oil change done on it. So we'll be putting these wheels on soon. These are not the ones I ordered for this. These wheels are actually for that truck. I'm just wanting to see what it looks like and see if we need to go lower. I'm thinking we're probably gonna have to drop it another 2 inches. So, but I mean, it does sit nice, but we'll see when we get them on there. And then I got some stuff ordered for this truck that we're going to be doing soon too, and we got a lot ordered for this truck. Like I said, we got all the stuff out of it, and I'm going to be putting it back together. But the bodies on this truck is super straight. Not really, no dents or anything on it. And always some headers. And update on this GC. This is a Smuck's car, and we're getting the harness back in it. Also, I want to say a big congratulations to him. We're in Nashville, if you are not from here and you watch our videos, but he actually worked on the music for the new iPhone like release video. So big congratulations to him. Like, that is awesome. But yeah, so I'll get Anthony to drop his name here. Y'all go check out his music. We support the people that support us, and he's done a lot of business with us, and his music's actually used in the intro too, so there's already a link in our stuff to go check out his music too, because he did our intro. So, but that's just a quick update this morning. I'm gonna hop to it. You got to get some stuff ordered. I won't be here next week. We're probably going to pause on the videos while I'm gone. It's me and my wife's 7-year anniversary, so we're going on a trip, take a little vacation. It's been a really crazy year with COVID and everything going on, but like I said, we'll be back the week after that and hop back to it, refreshed hopefully, and then get back to making out some banging videos for y'all guys. But I'm gonna get to work, and I'll be back with y'all in a little bit.
Midweek, get out of the shop.
Yep. Adrian, where are we going?
Buy more race car parts.
All right, guys. We gotta go meet a buddy and drop off some parts. So we're gonna do a little midday getaway. Alright guys, we dropped off parts with Milan, met up with him, got lunch, and seen my buddy Kareem. Good catching up, seeing him. We're back on the road, back to Clarksville, in traffic, of course. But as soon as we get back, we'll see y'all guys at the shop. It's probably going to be like a couple seconds for y'all, probably like over an hour for us. So we'll see you in a few. Alright guys, we're going to be doing some walnut blasting to this today, and I think we almost got Smuck's car back together. Have to put the fender back on, but got a lot of it buttoned back up. And then I think today is Thursday, so this is like a 2-day video. We didn't shoot enough yesterday, but I should have the other 2 of these. So we'll get to install those on here and see what it looks like. Alright guys, we got this car in for a big wing game. So we're getting it open. Nice. Wow.
Oh, wow. Yep.
Oh yeah. Nice.
That thing.
Alright. Guys, gotta run to the bank. Alright, back from the bank. See what these guys are up to. Wing is assembled.
So I gotta put the base plates on.
Yep.
And the wing.
Is it that wide? Yeah. Put the big wing on the truck. What do y'all guys think? We're getting the back window replaced, so it's going to be a smooth glass. And then he's actually replacing the windshield too. So look a little nicer. It actually had a crack here. And then it had looked like BB marks here and here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it replaced. And the other 2 wheels should be in today, so the C10 is getting some love today. Alright, Adrian has the wing installed. Big wing game. And they got the new window in here. We're going to get it tinted, but looks a lot better. And then we got the new front windshield in too. No cracks, no BBs. Looks really good. So I'm gonna get this tinted, and I'm gonna get the windows tinted too. And then we're gonna probably black out the mirrors. And hopefully the wheels still come in today, but I don't know if, or the tires, I don't know if that's gonna happen. So we're just waiting on 2 back ones. But looks really good. I'm really happy with it. What do y'all guys think about the big wing on the Bug-Eye? Can't really see it from the front. Some progress made on the GF8, sorry, but we got it all back together. It's almost there. More power, baby, more power. Looks a lot different than a few days ago. Yo, Adrian. Weather report.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Look guys, it's all put back together. And then we've actually made a little bit more progress on the C10 build. So we ended up having to take the glass out. We're gonna fix all that. We ended up having to take the dash out because when we're getting all this stuff removed, it might actually damage the dash, and the dash is in really good condition. And then we ended up taking this like chrome piece off. We're gonna get new to that, and then we went ahead and removed the rear window just because when we go to paint everything, it'll just be a lot easier. Tomorrow we're gonna try to get that door off and make a little bit more progress in between the work we got coming in and all that good stuff. Adrian, what was your new purchase today?
Used car.
Used car? Guys, you want to see his new used car? He bought a new toolbox. He could have bought a 2JZ with that.
About 5 LS motors.
5 LS motors. He's cutting off lights, guys. You know what time it is.
Quitting time.
It's quitting time. Take us out.
Not my job.
Come on.
Not my job.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace. Adrian, shut the door.